Kain tayo, kain. Tayo ay may dinengdeng. Ito daw ay pag daw hindi ginigisa sa mantika ay dinengdeng daw ang tawag, sabi ng mga Ilocano. Tapos tayo ay may prito isda. Basmati rice. Kain. Ang sarap ng kalabasa. Oh! Ngayon lang ulit ako nakatikim nito.
السلام عليكم. كيف الحال؟ شو الأخبار؟ بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. No voice. Gutom na ako. Agi ka na din eh?
Gutom na daw siya.
I feel headache already. Maybe my sugar is down.
Aywa.
If your sugar sometimes is down, you will feel this too much hungry.
Bismillah. Sarap.
You need sugar to go high. Eat the date. What is named that one?
Which one?
Sidrin?
No. I don't know how to call this fish. I don't know the name of the fish.
Fishiko. Nanay Nanita,
Kain tayo, nanay.
nasaan GR?
Ang sarap ng kalabasa.
GR is busy with the bigas. Now summertime, no bigas there, yeah?
Ma'am Annie Bautista kain po. Joy Garcias Velasco.
No season of bigas now, or what?
Everyday season.
Because bigas is need water, rain.
They have irrigation there.
Is not waiting for the rain.
No.
You should be have irrigation. Nanay Nanita registered me. I am supervisor for the fish. Fish harvesting. If she want supervisor, I know.
Mabit. Nakala ko gutom na gutom. Then, napakadaldal. Yung sa Diyo, gutom na gutom, but you are very talkative.
Because I start with date. Date is give you power. Yeah. Immediately. This date is powerful. They have supervisor? Maybe she is the one.
Kain po, Ma'am Ann and Sinada and Marivic Del Mar. Good evening. Kain tayo, Ma'am Cecilia Magno.
If you have fun and you sell yourself, that is very good, yeah?
You cut your hair again?
Because it's too much hot. I feel itchy. I not use with the hair. I want to cut this hair here like the bird. You know the house of the bird? I want to cut hair because I cannot cut it. Should be 1 year.
No, JR is there.
Aha!
Thank you, JR. Kanina ka pang binabangit ni
He's good person. If you talk with him and suddenly he's there. Yeah. What you have this in Tagalog? You believe something? If you talk about the person and suddenly he came, he arrived.
Good person.
Oh, that is you are very big luck.
JR is very good son also. Kain po tayong lahat, kain. Hi Nora, kain na. Digay ari nagdinengdeng ng masarap na dinengdeng. Hindi matagal na ako hindi nakaluto nito. Tapos nilagyan ko ng aking bagoong. Gana rin mga kaulam ang aking ibinebentang bagoong. O, yan. Ganito. Ito ay 500 ml.
And this
Isang ganito, binibenta ko ng 15 dirhams. Ito ay purong dilis.
and this is achar, cucumber.
Hindi magpatalo eh.
Achara.
Kain na, Marisa!
Kain tayo. Ali Canadina sa Mandi. Mandi. M-N-D. Mandi.
Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa at ako'y
You know how to spell Mandi?
spell.
Hmm?
Spell.
M-A-N-D. Mandi.
Man.
D. D-E-E.
Mm.
W-Y. Ending. Huh? That is correct? Hmm?
You never had a correct spelling.
If I will join for the spelling, what will happen?
Kadas.
Hmm?
They will bring you back to grade 1.
Oh?
Mm.
No. I will tell them some word they cannot spell it. Hmm?
Kain na pong tayong lahat. Ako hindi na
You
makapagsagot
eating
mga kaunan.
achara? It's nice.
No, because it's not matching with my
It's all much taste.
Ah.
Hmm?
Maharap.
Asim.
Mm.
But achar, you know, you should have
Give me the water,
a
please.
strong destiny.
Intestine, hindi destiny. Dumali.
What is that?
Intestine.
I was very close.
Hindi na, dali na naman ang destiny.
I was very close, 85%.
I am your destiny. Yeah.
Ano?
Yeah. And the intestine is there. Kain po.
But I was very close to answer.
Ma'am Teodora Espinola sa France. Ma'am Charlina Manguray Santos, good evening. Ma'am Norma Magallanes, Labata. Destiny ang tawag sa intestine. Na,
We have teacher before, they said if you close to answer, that is mean you answer already. Yes, that he have some rule.
who is that
in the
teacher?
school.
I will bring him back to.
Hmm?
Kaliit-liit ng ukra ay matanda po sa akin. Hello po, Ma'am Miles. Ma'am Cors Galvez, good evening. Kain tayo.
Her name is Miles. M-E-S M-E-W-Y.
Dumali.
Miles is nice name.
Masarap ba ang saluyot? Ako ilang araw na nakain ng saluyot. Ay, Shirley, kain na. Ma'am Marietta, kain po.
Miles is looking nice now. We have friend. What is name? Sugar. Yeah?
Yeah. She's not, I didn't see her now in the Facebook. Kain po tayong lahat. Kain.
Maybe she go back in Philippines.
No. Have family. Have family in Italy with the children.
My grandfather also in San Francisco.
San Francisco.
What do you think yourself? Huh?
Andy Man, shout out. Ma'am Larina.
You think you are from somewhere? I am the one also. Huh?
Thank you so much for 20 stars, Ma'am Morena. Ebotski del Rosario, good evening. Eileen Buol, good evening. Ma'am Mirna Adeva Maneje.
Where is? From Rosario. His name Rosario.
Sino Rosario na naman ang binabanggit nito?
You said Rosario.
Del Rosario. Lizelle De Leon and Marietta Isla. Sarap ng pinain sa dulong. Pritong tilapia at gulay na mais. Naku po, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakakatikim ng gulay na mais. Ano na, 1 year na. Hilaria Cator, good evening. Ma'am Mila Di Asis, good evening po. Ma'am Maria Gina Garcia. Kain tayo.
Maria Garcia, this is every time I hear about her. When you order mandi, they put too much rice.
Ma'am LV and Shirley Ann kain. Ma'am Chi Gupo Pabrokes.
That is her name?
Charlina Manguray Santos kain po. Ma'am Yansky de Dios. Kami din, hindi rin kami nagigisa ng mais. Ginagata yung inaano muna namin.
Mais.
Pinapakuluan muna sa tubig. Yung, di ba, kagadgarin mo muna ang mais. Ano? Pakukuluan muna yun sa tubig. Tapos, lalagyan ng bawang. Tapos, tsaka lalagyan ng gata. Tapos, tsaka lalagyan ng asin. Tapos, ng mga dahon-dahon. Like, ampalaya o kaya malunggay. Yan.
Mais is not good for summer.
Ma'am Yansky de Dios from Marivilas, Bataan.
Mais, the corn, yeah? Is not good for summer.
It's good
They
every...
said eating in Iran, they said they eating in the winter.
Why?
They said make the body hot and make the pimple is will make
It's wrong.
in your skin. But if
I
you
know
have,
you are lying.
if you have crocodile skin, is no problem.
Diyan kain. Ma'am Anjanet, Ma'am Nenet Islam, Ma'am Mama Chi. Kain po Mama Chi. Kain tayo.
In Philippines, they eat
We eat mais in the Philippines
summer?
anytime. Yeah, anytime. If there is.
Is nothing be happen for your skin?
No. Sabi nga, pag kumain na parang ng mais, magkakatagyawa. Saan kaya na nakuha yung, ano, yung idea na pag kumain ng mais, magkakatagyawa? Dumali. Who told you that?
I have idea.
Ma'am Elma, kain na. Donalisa Mateo. They said, in the Philippines, the peanut, if you eat a lot of peanut, you will have pimple. Not mais. Because peanut has lots of oil.
Like harda is
Yeah.
not good for summer. You see harda?
Yeah, harda
That
is like
from,
peanut, yeah?
From peanut. That harda they make it no from sesame. CEMED. Sesame. Sesame. When
There
they
is no
make it,
D.
yeah. D is will be silent.
Kupaw.
They're not eating in. Yeah, it's making.
Miss na miss ko na ang mais sa Pilipinas, yung puti. Dito ang mais, yun na ang sweet corn eh.
Why is Philippines
Wala
different?
ditong, yeah.
What is different than here?
Mas-
The maize?
In the Philippines, it's white and it's sticky.
Oh?
Sasabihin mo tungkol sa mais.
Oh, I can't continue. I'll finish.
Nasa siguro may nakaalaala sa iyo.
Here, I stop.
Sinong nakaalaala sa iyo? Number 12.
Hmm?
A, B, C, D, E.
Which one?
F, G, H, I, J,
Hmm.
K, L.
Yeah.
I said number 12. Number 12 in alphabet is L.
Hmm.
The person who remember you when...
Then?
Yeah.
We
Who
don't
is,
have any.
who is L?
Well?
Yeah. Siguro nga mayroon ba ito natanggi na hindi wala daw siyang L? Eh, anong mayroon?
Hmm?
You said you don't have L. What do you have?
0010.
0010 is 10. I will see who is that. Kain po, Ma'am Mary Jane Llanera, Sally Serrato Escasenas, and Ma'am Edna Abarintos. Kain po tayo. Kung maulan daw ngayon sa Laguna.
You will eat this one?
No, honey. Honey? I'm done.
I just want to ask about the rule. You finish, huh?
Yeah.
Still in your mouth.